Chef on wheel.
Yeah. Up and running.
Hey guys, this is the festival. You can get it with any of your meal. You can get it with curry goat. You can get it with ackee and saltfish. Wow, the ackee and saltfish with festival is delicious.
Alright guys, so right now I'm in the kitchen here at Jerk BBQ Haven. Yes guys, so I'm in the kitchen here with
Chef on wheel.
Chef on who?
Wheel.
Wheel. Chef on wheel.
Yeah.
Ah, man. So where that name come from? Where that name come from?
Where that name come from?
Yeah, where you get that name?
Two of we come up with the name.
Oh yeah?
I used to cook and deliver food.
Okay.
And then when I deliver food to at one of my friend's place, couple guys was there. And,
Yes.
And I cook cow skin, and he say, Nam, this is real chef cook this food.
What?
It's so good.
Yes.
And me said, Chef on wheels.
Chef on wheels.
Yeah, and then he said, they called me Brown. He said, Brown, keep it that way.
Chef on wheels.
Yeah, and from that day, me using the name Chef on Wheels.
Man, nice.
If me answer my phone, is Chef on Wheel here.
Okay. Man. So what you gonna prepare now?
Stew chicken.
Stew chicken. Nice. See guys, so right here chef just cut up the onions.
Okay.
Wow. So that's a Scotch bonnet here.
Yes.
Okay. So right there you have some Scotch bonnet and with a bit of thyme.
Yeah.
And garlic. Okay, so right here you're just gonna put up a scallion. Okay. Nice. And this is for what, chef?
Stew chicken.
Stew chicken.
Yeah.
Alright.
So many different way people cook the stew chicken.
Yeah. Chef just like getting stew chicken prepared. Curry chicken. Nice. So this is the curry chicken right here. Nice. Yes guys, so as you can see, I'm in the kitchen with Chef on Wheels. Yeah man, I'm gonna show you how he prepares some of those wonderful meals. Alright. So what kind of soup you have here, chef?
Chicken soup.
Chicken soup.
Yeah.
So what kind of
You have spinach in there, and the chicken and potato, and the pumpkin.
Okay. Nice. As you can see that bubbling up, guys. Look at that. Look at that. You fry the chicken first.
Yeah, fry the chicken first.
And then you cook it down in the sauce.
Yeah. We're gonna make when this boil up a bit, then I'm gonna put some stuff in there. I could put in the seasoning.
Okay, so right here now, chef, what do you have right here?
That's the chicken, and this is the flour. Oh yeah, we flour the chicken.
Oh, so this is a fried chicken.
Yeah.
And it's seasoned from overnight, right?
Yeah, like it's seasoned for couple days.
Couple days.
Yeah.
Nice. So you know the season will marinate in the meat.
Yeah.
Yes, guys.
White rice.
White rice. Yeah. Okay. Yes, guys. So this is the chef. Yes, brown stew chicken. Nice. pot of soup right here, guys. Yes, guys, so I'm in the kitchen, and you know, once the chef cooking, I have to sample the food and tell you guys how it tastes. Yeah, so right now I'm gonna try out the chicken soup. Yeah, look at it. Look at that. Yeah, man, the greatness. So you see how you have the chicken here. This is the dumpling, the Irish, the carrot, and all those other seasons that blend up in it. Yes, guys, look at that. Yes, yes. So try it and tell you guys what it is. Tastes good. You can taste all the spice. I mean, you can taste all the onion and the Irish, and you know you have to have your spinners, which is a dumpling. Gosh. Nice. That guy. Really nice. It's really good. Brown stew chicken, the fritters. Tastes real good, guys. All the flavor, nice. All the spices inside of it, it's right. This, guys, tastes real good. As you can see, all the Irish, which is the potato. Look at that. Yeah. Right now, I should go and enjoy the food, so I'll check in back in a bit. Alright.
Yeah, I started with stove and then I put in the oven.
Oh, so you cook it on the stove and then put in the oven after?
Yeah, also the rice and peas in the oven.
Okay. You can see here, guys, look at that. So what chef did, he partially cooked it on the stove and then he finished it off in the oven. Yeah. How long you been cooking for now, chef?
Over 50 years.
50 years?
Over 50 years.
And that's from Jamaica days?
Yeah, from Jamaica.
Okay, okay.
My mom was a chef.
Oh. So your mom was a chef?
Yeah.
So she inspired to cook?
Yeah.
Nice. So where in Jamaica you from?
I'm from St. James.
St. James.
But I used to live in Clarina.
Oh, okay. Okay, so this is the fritters here, guys. See? Nice and brown and pretty. Alright. So chef, what kind of food you can get here when you come in the morning?
Oxtail, jerk chicken, jerk pork, curry chicken, stew chicken.
Yes.
Ackee and saltfish and callaloo.
What? Nice.
Fried dumpling and fritters.
Yes.
And festival.
Wow. Oh, that's that, guys.
Stew chicken.
Chef getting stew chicken ready. Look at that, guys. Alright, so what you have here now, you have all the ingredients for your
coleslaw.
Coleslaw. Okay.
I'm just going to mix it in now.
Look at that, guys.
This is fried chicken.
Ah, look at that. Look at that, guys. Guys, I have to try the coleslaw because it looks so delicious. Yes. Let me show you it first before. See? Look at that. Yeah, man. Guys, this looks delicious, so you know I have to try it. Yeah, man. Tastes real good, guys. Tastes like a yard. Yeah, man. Tastes like, you know, those coleslaw when they get back home. Yeah, man.
The soup outside already, chef? Yeah. And the rice?
Chicken here.
Barbecue chicken. Oh, look at that, guys. See what chef did with the pan? He just put all the sauce on it. The butter. Oh, God. gosh, look at this. This is the barbecue chicken. Look at that, guys. And this is it.
Put it in the oven for a little bit.
It's in the oven. So what you have here, chef?
That's rice and peas.
Oh gosh. See this guy, he just take it out the oven. So what are you making here, chef?
Fried dumpling.
Fried dumpling.
Yeah.
See that? Oh gosh, guys, look at that. What you say, chef on the wheel?
Yeah, chef on wheel.
Yeah, man, I'm making fried dumpling. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Yeah.
We are here at Jamaican BBQ, shop 20488 Eglinton Avenue. The intersection is between Confederation and Eglinton. This is where we have the authentic Jamaican food. Come on down, you won't regret. It's very delicious. Open time 11 a.m. Very delicious, very authentic. Come on down and enjoy.
Look at that, guys. Wow. So right now, what are you doing here?
Well, right now I'm portioning out the coleslaw because normally we serve vegetable with the meal, either your choice of vegetable, coleslaw or steamed veg. You will get it with your meal, either jerk, fry, curry, oxtail. So this is how we do it. We portion it out in a small container, keep it on the refrigerator, and the customer decide if they wanted coleslaw or steamed veg for their vegetables.
Nice.
Some people make them round, but
You make them flat?
yeah, for sure me's not a professional making them round.
Yes. You make them flat?
Yeah. But they fry faster when they're flat too anyway.
Yes, because they're more thinner, right?
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Then fry faster.
Oh gosh. Wow. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at these dumplings here. Ah. So chef, what are you doing here? Fry up some plantain?
Yeah.
Look at that, guys. Guys, so you see our chef do his brown stew chicken. Wow. So right here, chef just cooking his fried plantain right here. Yeah. Look at that, guys. So if you come down here, you can get your fresh, fried, ripe plantain. Yes, look at that, guys. Yes. So this is what your fried dumpling?
Fried dumpling, real
Yes.
Jamaican style.
All
You
right.
won't regret. Come on down, come on down.
Here you have this festival going here.
Ready.
Look at this, guys. So this is a white rice here, chef.
Yeah.
Look at that, guys.
When you gauge the stove,
Yes.
you gauge your oven right. No, but
Yes. You don't have it burn, right?
no.
Once you gauge it right.
Yeah. If you notice, it was the same thing with the rice and peas.
Yes. Look at that, guys. That's a chef. White rice here.
Ready jerk. So we take it from the jerk is normally at the back. So we have to come around to serve the jerk. So I'm just preparing the table for the jerk to make it clean and tidy.
Okay, so you see? Well clean, guys. You see how they do it? Oh.
And there you have the cutting board, the chopper, and we have the ladle.
Okay.
Yeah, and this is for the barbecue and this is for the jerk. The pork is on this side. So we do the pork separate.
Okay.
Yeah, the pork is for the purple. So we separate and then we weigh it with the scaler.
Oh.
Yeah.
See that, guys?
So it's different.
Nice.
So we don't keep it together.
Yes, guys. Separate the pork,
From the chicken, yes. Because
Nice.
as you know, it's not everybody eat pork and some people are very skeptic concerning their meat.
That's right.
Right.
Yeah. See? Well clean, guys. Well clean.
So we have the container with the water for the rice, the plain rice at the back to take it out. Because we
Okay.
normally serve it from the back.
From the back?
Yes.
Okay, nice. Chef on wheel.
Yeah. Up and running.
And right here, so we have chef gonna prepare. What are you gonna prepare, chef?
The veg.
The veg.
Steamed veg.
So right here, he just cutting up his cabbage. Nice.
Okay guys, this is the festival. You can get it with any of your meal. You can get it with curry goat. You can get it with ackee and saltfish. Wow, the ackee and saltfish with festival is delicious. Once again, here is the plantain. You can get it as on a side order with your meal, or you can just come on and just order a serving of plantain. Only $2.50 for 4 slices. Nowhere else you can get this bargain. Come on down guys, right in Mississauga between Eglinton and Confederation. Shop number 20. Come and enjoy. Whoosh!
Guys, you see how the chef is cut up the carrot real fine. Is there a reason why you cut it up that fine, chef?
Yeah, if I go in the steamed veg, so easier to cook.
Oh.
Yeah, this is the container that we put the steamed veg in. So while he's cutting up the carrot so small, it's more accessible to go into the container to make it more presentable.
Okay. Steamed veg. Steamed veg, guys. Look at that. Wow.
And I need to come on and check the food out.
Yes.
You're disappointed.
Nice. But I said they need to come down here, come check out Chef on the Wheel.
Yeah.
Food. They won't be disappointed.
Yeah.
Let Chef on the wheel. So I try out the Chef on the wheel.
Yeah,
You
man.
won't be disappointed. Money for your daughter.
Alright, you see it? Yeah, man. Big up Chef on the Wheel, you know?
Big up Chef on the wheel.
Yeah. So, what time you guys open?
Oh, Aaron Jerk and Barbecue, we open Monday, every day except holidays. And Monday to Thursday, we open 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. On Friday, we open 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. Saturday and Friday, 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. On Sunday, 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. in the afternoon.
Okay.
So that's our opening hours.
So basically, you can come here any day of the week and you can get your food.
And yes, you can come here any time of the week, any day of the week, except on holidays. We are open right through the year, away from holiday.
Okay.
Here we have the chicken soup, and we serve chicken soup on a Sunday, just one soup on a Sunday.
Okay.
And this is the chicken soup.
Okay.
And here we have the oxtail. Very nice oxtail.
Nice.
Very delicious, tasty, real Jamaican style.
Yes.
There
And you know,
go.
they love the oxtail gravy, right?
Most customers will take their jerk meal with oxtail gravy because it tastes very nice with the
Yes.
sauce on the
Yes.
rice. We have the curry chicken,
Oh. Nice.
and the curry chicken is done the real Jamaican style. Very nice. Look at this. Wow. You won't regret purchasing curry chicken. The curry chicken sell a lot and it's very tasty, very peppery. So you will like it with your Irish potato. Very nice. Cooked down very nice.
Yes.
When you taste your curry chicken, you won't regret it. It won't hurt your belly or because it's done real Jamaican
Well
style.
done.
Well done.
Yes.
Here we have the stewed chicken behind the oxtail.
Yes.
And this is how we do it. Very nice. As I said, real authentic Jamaican style.
Yes.
Very tasty. Very nice. And presentable, very good.
Look at that, guys.
Very nice. In our showcase where we have the side order, we have our steamed veg. It is made with carrot and cabbage, a little sauce, and it's good to go. On the other side, we have our fried dumplings. Some call it Johnny cake, some call it pot pot. It all depends on how you, but it's the same style.
Same style. Yes.
Over on the other side, in the showcase, we have our salted fritters. Some people call it pancake, some people call it different name.
Yes.
But it is salted fritters. It's cooked with codfish, seasoning, tasting very nice. Most people go for the salted fritter because it have the spice to it.
Oh, okay.
And last of all, we have our festival. As I said before, you can get it with any of your meal. Any of the side order, you can get it with your meal. You can get it with fried dumplings, salted fritters, or most of all, you can take your festival. It have a sweet taste to it. Anyone that loves sweets, you can get the festival because it have a sweet taste to it.
Okay.
And our fried chicken. This is our fried chicken. There you go, our real fried chicken, Jamaican style, very tasty. And that is it. Okay, and our plantain, you know most people love that kind of plantain because it have the sweet taste. When you purchase your meal, you can get a serving of a plantain with it. It will give it a sweet taste to your meal, and that is how we do ours. As I said, you can get 4 slices for $2.50, and it's very costly, very cheap. You can purchase it anytime you get here.
Nice.
And that is it, guys. And our patties, we all do patties too. You can come on down, get a patty and cocoa bread with a soft drink for a snack on the other hand, and enjoy your patty and cocoa bread. Thank you.
Thank you. All right. All right, guys. As you can see, we're here in Mississauga and we check out this wonderful restaurant. Yeah, at Eglinton and Confederation. So make sure you like, subscribe, and share out the video. Yeah, man, and come down here and check out this wonderful restaurant. Yeah, Jerk and BBQ Haven. Yes, in Mississauga. So for all who's watching, if you haven't subscribed yet, please go and subscribe. Yeah, man, and tell a friend, and tell a friend, and tell a friend. All right? Yeah, bless.
Give me something, something.